Yummy and flavorful. That's what Indian chicken curry recipes are. Out of zillion curries made in India, but this chicken curry is entirely different from the rest, which are easily available throughout. And hopefully, you will be watching this recipe in my channel first. Just like every Indian curry recipes that is cooked with onion and garlic, though this one is entirely different. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this chicken curry different from the rest. And the ingredients are Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander leaves chopped, tomato, ginger mango, green chili, ginger paste, bay leaf, cumin seed, red chili whole, yogurt, and with that our chicken. I am using with bone chicken. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take a mixing bowl. Into it add 750 grams of chicken with bones medium size. After that add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. Now with your hand mix everything well so the masala are well coated with the chicken, and then marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking it. Once the chicken is getting marinated, on the other side we will roast some dry masala. Into a heated pan add 2 to 3 bay leaves, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 2 to 3 red chili whole. Roast it in a medium high flame until it turns fragrance, and then remove it from the pan and make a fine powder with the help of a mixer grinder. After that, keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Now transfer the masala powder into a small bowl, and onto that same mixer grinder we will use further to make the base of the gravy. Next add 2 medium sized tomato, cut it into small pieces, then add 2 green chilies. You can adjust according to your taste bud. Then add 5 to 6 strips of ginger mango. If you are not able to get ginger mango near you, then you can use 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder directly into your gravy. Now everything is done, let's start our cooking. Onto a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil heat up, then add half teaspoon of sugar for the color of the gravy. Now add the paste which you have done just now and cook it in a medium high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell goes away. After a few minutes, stir it well. Then add the marinated chicken with the marination, and again mix everything well so the masala are well coated with the chicken. Then cover and cook in a low flame till the moisture release from the chicken. If needed, you can also stir in between for 1 to 2 times. Then remove the lid and you will see moisture has released so much. No need to add additional water at this point of time. Give a good stir so that it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of roasted masala which you have done at the beginning of the recipe, and keep half teaspoon of this roasted masala as we will need it further at the later part of the recipe. Now give a good stir and cover and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes or until our entire chicken is well done. Remove the lid and check the chicken tenderness. From this gravy color, you can understand our chicken is perfectly done and is looking marvelous. At this point of time, switch off the flame and sprinkle chopped coriander leaves from top, half teaspoon of that roasted masala, and few streaks of thinly sliced ginger mango. Then cover and give a standing time of 10 minutes before serving it hot. Now you can serve it with roti, naan, paratha, but you can also be your master chef and experiment to find out that which combo goes well with this chicken curry. And of course, the essence, the flavor, which is something that you can never forget and it compels you every single time. The smell, the taste, the entire dish is addictive, and the living example is that you don't need alcohol to be hangover. So if you like today's recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode. Till then, bye bye.